can I still have a kidney transplant?
Yes, of course, if a kidney transplant is right for you, home hemodialysis does not stop you from having one. In fact, a transplant is more likely to be successful if you're fit and healthy. Therefore, home hemodialysis can provide you with those health benefits, ready for a transplantation if that's right for you.
Yes, definitely. If anything, actually, because in theory you'd be doing more dialysis, you'd have a better chance probably of having a transplant, and hopefully have a better outcome after your transplant, because you're going to be so physically well from doing more dialysis. Hopefully, because you're doing more dialysis, having more energy, staying more active, continuing with work and feeling well. So yeah, hopefully all those things coming together and meaning that you're likely to do well after transplant. Yeah.